Biofit Aqua, a step towards organic fish farming. The Indian fisheries and fish farming are important sectors of food production, providing nutritional security to the food basket while contributing to the agricultural exports. India is blessed with natural water resources, which are advantageous for fish farming. These consist of 7,517 kilometers of natural coastline, an extensive river and canal system, 14 main rivers, 44 medium rivers, thousands of small rivers, and countless fish farming ponds. Natural water resources and river networks enable India to hold the second position in the world for freshwater fish farm production and aquaculture farming. Fish farming is largely divided into two types: marine fishing, contributing approximately 40% of production, and inland or freshwater fishing, contributing to approximately 60% of production. The fisheries and fish farming sectors collectively employ 11 to 14 million people who are engaged fully, partially, or in subsidiary activities pertaining to the sector. Conventional fish farming practices in India emphasize the use of chemical-based pesticides, antibiotics, and hormones, which have an adverse impact on human health and is a key contributing factor to environmental issues such as environmental degradation, aquatic pollution, destruction of fish habitats, water abstraction, and impacts on aquatic biodiversity. Conventional fish farming practices damage and pollute the water, which is both soil and air to fish. The purity of water used for fish farming plays an important role. It ensures quality of fish, it improves the mortality ratio, and protects the environment at large. Organic fish farming or sustainable aquaculture is a newly developed concept which is still in the early stages of development. It strives to re-establish a proper balance in aquaculture systems for the benefit of fish, the environment, and consumers. Organic fish farming practices ensures that we produce healthy, disease-free, natural fish food without the use of any antibiotics, hormones, and chemicals. It also helps safeguard the environment from the adverse impact of harmful conventional methods. Presenting Biofit Aqua, an exclusive range of products for organic fish farming and sustainable aquaculture. Biofit Aqua range of products provides quality nutrition to fish and does not contain any harmful chemicals, pesticides, antibiotic, or hormones. It ensures optimum quality and purity of water without damaging the environment. Biofit Aqua, a step towards organic fish farming. For more information on our products, log on to www.netsurfnetwork.com.